What's up, traders? This last video I posted about the professional Forex trader reacts. That's me. I'm the professional Forex trader and I am reacting to things. This series, it started off with a huge bang. A lot of people really loved it and a lot of people made fun of me endlessly and called me a hater. So for this next one, I really want you to up those hate comments because it really does help the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow my channel. Now, the thing that I do want to point about the last video is somebody in the comments, they used their CIA, FBI analytics, and they found out that it actually is in fact a screenshot when he was showing that real account. So it is absolutely 100% fake, and he proved that basically by the time and the battery life that was actually on the phone when it did go off screen a little bit there. But that's beside the point. That is old news, and we're gonna look at somebody brand new today. I got a lot of requests for this guy. It's another 17-year-old. You might have heard of him. His name is Trading with Eds. We're gonna watch him. A lot of people said that this guy is actually legit, and you know, I'd really love to believe it, and this is going to be a lot of fun either way, and I'm probably going to be cruel. So once again, make sure you post those hate comments for the YouTube algorithm. Let's go.
Just wanted to say something else also. A lot of you guys have been messaging me on either Discord or Instagram or something, and you're actually asking me to manage your funds for you. The whole point of this channel was kind of, first of all, to entertain and educate, but secondly, I'm trying to get you guys away from all of this Forex scams and whatnot, and literally you guys are asking for somebody to scam you. You're asking for somebody to steal your money, because literally you guys don't know me, and I haven't actually really shown you any proof in particular. A lot of you are basically just seeing my videos, seeing that I actually know what I'm talking about, and then you're coming up to me and saying, hey, can you manage my money for me? And you're gonna give me your account details. You're literally asking to get scammed. So I don't want your account. I don't want to trade your funds, and I don't want your money. I know it's completely different from every single other person you see on YouTube regarding Forex, but that's kind of the way things are when you're not trying to scam people. So just stop doing that in general, not just to me. Stop trying to lose your money.
Guys, it's Trading with Eds again.
Alright, so I just want to clarify, I haven't seen any of this yet, so full-on reaction here. First time seeing. We got a disclaimer. That's really cool. I really like that he's actually warning you that you could lose everything here in here. So
about account 2, just about £2,000 right now. This account's really taken off, but these trades were sent to my clients as well. 3.4k profit. Remember, I said I'm gonna try to flip this to 10,000. Not too far away. But we'll close it now for 5k profit. That's lovely. This was all in one day, guys. One day.
This video kind of started off really confusing to me, actually. I don't really know what's going on. He's kind of got 2 accounts, he says. And there was no intro or anything, so I don't know exactly what's going on.
Because the trade's going the other direction, so need to get out of it.
This guy also really it looks like he likes GJ also, which is a lot similar to that last guy who trade GJ a lot. Probably because GJ actually moves the most pips and you can get the most ridiculous swings on it.
Yeah, guys. 2 flips, one day.
Now these plus signs, that's actually like a different liquidity pool. That he's not actually trading GJ. He's trading a separate liquidity pool that the broker has offered for him. So I'm just kind of wondering why.
On account 2, remember I started off at 2.8k, so I want to try to get it to 10,000 to 15,000.
Yeah, so far this video, it's just he's just showing the profit going up, and I'm really confused on what's going on. He's not explaining anything.
11,000.
I mean, he's got better risk management in some sense, where he's not risking
the 15k
100 lots with a 10k account.
just under 4k running profit.
So I can see that this could definitely be realistic.
2.8k, almost at 13k. Only started today at like 10 o'clock. Wow. I'm gonna close these right now.
So far, I'm confused on why you guys even like this guy. He hasn't told you anything.
7k. Now we up about a k.
So far, this is just a really boring video to me. It's cool that he's flipping the account, but
my profit target. So we're just gonna wait on these. I will keep you updated. Time now is 12:43. So yep, I'm gonna try and see if I can see. Push it, push it, push it. Give me 1k. Give me 1k. Give me 1k. Give me 1k. Alright guys, it was now 2 a.m. and I'm still at it. Currently running at 1.6k profit. The equity is just under 15,000. Remember
notice he's trading on a phone that has no SIM card.
The targets were 10 to 15k. The account is almost on 15k. My account for the blue, everything was red because.
Oh my god. What? How can you let your trades go this far negative? What is with him?
But yeah, this was a crazy moment. I was down by like 9,000. If you're looking to flip your account and make big returns, you need to be willing to be taking these big risks, to be up at these crazy times.
Yeah, it's gonna be a huge risk. It seems like he's just DCAing when it goes against him.
Of what's happening, because you never know what the market could do. Right now, in like an 8k loss. This is stressful.
So he's probably panicking right now. He's just completely freaking out if this is actually a real account. Because he really wants this to work, of course. Mind you, he only started with 2k, whatever, but
9.7k around that. It was very close to
I couldn't believe it, to be honest. I almost died.
If I had, let's say, an extra £1, I probably would have been out of the game. But yeah, I held a trade and I believed in the analysis. Let's keep waiting and see what happens. It's 9 a.m.
There's no way he has any analysis on here. Okay. Yeah, look, so you can see his entry positions here, right? Those must have been his entries or their limit orders or something as price drops away from whatever he's going to. And if you look back here, you can see the entries are staggered. 28, 84, 29. So this is simply as price goes against him, he's DCAing. And I do know a robot that can do this for you. And you know, some people pay big money for these robots that basically just keep making them money, just keep DCAing until it blows their entire account. And then they're screwed. So, you know, they might flip their account 10x over a year, but then they lose everything. So it's just completely worthless.
Analysis.
Yeah, you notice that this is a DCA strategy. He's just dollar cost averaging as the price goes against him. You notice all the different drawdowns all on the same pair. And then again, you can see where all of the entries actually are. Yeah. There's no analysis, man.
If it goes past this level, my account's gonna blow.
Yeah, then you lose if it goes past there. He's at least planned it out that he does seem to know where he wants his account to blow, so that if he is wrong, then his account will blow. So this is really cool in that he's actually managing his trade in a different sense compared to that last guy, which was just completely freaking wonky, where he just went absolutely nuts on every single trade. So this guy, at least he knows where he's wrong, and he's willing to accept that if he is wrong, his entire account's blown. So I got a little bit more respect for this guy. His video editing skills are just as poor. Luckily, he can afford a better camera than the last guy.
Yeah, it should have hit. I take profit because 40 pips away.
Yeah. I like his swings go much further. Oh, there we go.
And now what? Back to
that's great. Profit. That's great to see.
2K profit. That's lovely. Let's look at the entries. Looking good. Looking good.
So I gotta say something nice because
no, nothing close today.
I don't want too much hate. You know, it really hurts my feelings when random people online they say that I suck.
It's 12 in the afternoon.
And I'm a virgin.
Had breakfast yet.
It really hurts.
Trying to get this mission done.
So this guy's doing really well.
9,000 to be up.
There's 4, your nice comment.
Just crazy profits.
That's really cool, actually. That's really cool. The fact that I do believe that this is actually a real account because he does seem worried. And he was at a huge drawdown. It was just the fact that he does this DCA strategy, which works majority of the time. This is probably the best way to go about it.
This was a crazy one.
To do a challenge.
10K close.
You're most likely to win.
Live.
Wow.
Compared to that last guy strategy where you're very likely to lose, which is why the last guy used a demo account, which is obvious. I do believe that this is real. There you go. He actually looked like he swiped it properly there or whatever. It does look real.
Guys, I'm gonna show you what's possible.
I trust this guy. I like this guy. I like this guy. Too bad you shouldn't do this at home, obviously, because you will blow it eventually, and he will blow this eventually.
Trades. Took no loss.
Yeah, see, that's cool. You don't have to take losses when you DCA. You only have to take one loss. One loss, blow your account. But 90% of the time, you'll be right.
Profit. I'm sure that's a real account. Live account.
Yeah, see, he's actually showing. Yeah. I like it. This guy's actually doing a real challenge. This is way more fun.
2,800.
This is really cool.
3,000.
10x his account. So I just wanted to interrupt and say that my Discord, our Discord, the community that we're all a part of, we're actually going to do something basically the exact same as this, and I'm getting everyone to get involved. And we're going to show you an actual video for next week where everyone's going to actually flip their account, and it's going to be absolutely unbelievable. Everyone's starting with $100, and I'm just kind of kidding though. Most people are going to wipe their account. It's not going to be that unbelievable, but it's going to be cool because a couple people are absolutely going to blow it out of the water, and I'll make a video for that. So make sure if you guys want to witness that live, jump into the Discord and you can see people blowing up their $100 or whatever. I wanted to make sure it was $100 so that most people could join next week, because we're gonna do the exact same thing realistically this time though. It's gonna be a realistic, so you can fully expect that everyone blows their account by the end of the week, but we'll see what happens. The rules are simple. You can either use a DCA strategy like this, where you keep adding to a losing position until it goes right, and you have to play very aggressively, of course. Or you can do an all or nothing trade, where you just bet extremely high margin, and whoever ends the challenge with more money at the very end is gonna win, you know, the clout crown of fame, right? And that's gonna be basically it. Yeah, the one rule I will mention is that you can't cut a loser. So you can only take one loser, and that loser will blow your account. That's basically the rule. You can't have a stop loss.
How much was made today?
3,490 and 33. So I placed 17 trades and 2 little losses that I've placed. So the rest of them were successful.
Nice. So how much did you make this week?
This week, let me show you. About 27,000, 23,000.
23,000. Wow.
Yeah. So it's been a good week.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's one of my friends that trades with me. He follows my signals, so he's just showing you how much he made for the week.
He's bringing out the signals now, man. There's always some sort of motive behind all these. But we'll see later. See later if he actually tries to sell something.
So that was 1.5k, that was 3.8k. Then these are the trades. Took no loss.
Yeah, look at the entries. They're slightly staggered as he goes down.
So in
Slightly
total,
staggered.
I made.
And then he exits all at the same time.
£684.
Once he's in profit on everything.
Hours. And the first aim was to get the account to 10 to 15k. Smashed that. Then the second target was to get to 20k to 25k. Smashed it again. Trading with Eds. So this account, right, was on 2.8k yesterday. It's currently what, 8th of August. So our first target was 10 to 15k. Then I smashed that. My second target was 20 to 25k. I smashed that. So now I'm gonna try to flip this to 100k. Real account.
Yeah.
So currently running at 2k.
I think it's all gonna be the exact same from here on, basically. And he's just gonna absolutely blow it out of the water here. He's gonna have a really good trade, I think. He's on gold. Gold is gonna be really aggressive. GJ is really aggressive. That's why these guys are trading these pairs, it seems, because they move the most. You can get the most pips in one trade with the least margin used.
Go back up into profit. She down by?
Not that bad.
How much?
What? 620.
620.
Look at the ketchup.
Alright, we've been in mines for a while.
He's got ketchup in his bedroom.
Hopefully gold can push up.
What's the ketchup for, man?
Bit sticky.
What's the ketchup on his desk for? He's not got any food.
Should go up. Oh, a little munch. Switch. This day is the most stressful day. We've been on mine. We've been on minus for the longest.
Oh man, he's going down.
All we need is 30 pips. All we need is 30 pips. What this trade was doing.
All we need is 30 pips, man. If I could make 30 pips every single day, I'd be a billionaire by next month.
Then went into minus, then went into profit. Then it just kept going up and down, up and down, up and down. But eventually it dropped heavy, and we were wanting it to rise. But it dropped heavy.
Oh no!
For a bit too much risk.
It dropped.
Yeah, some of my trades were closed so that my account wouldn't fully blow. But you're about to see me lose 13,000. Oh my gosh. This was a stressful time.
Look at the money go.
Here it is.
It was on like 23k.
Oh no.
26k.
That's half of it.
Just kept dropping and dropping. Gold, what, 30 pair?
Yeah, he does actually sound like he's concerned about this. So I do really believe that this is an actual account. Volume broke or something? So it looks like he just closed out a lot of the trades, right? Or some of the trades got margin called? Yeah.
So this is the second.
The gold got margin called. That's why, because gold costs a lot more margin than GJ. That's why they want to trade GJ, because it's very cheap for how much it can move.
Guys, so I recovered a bit of the loss. Currently in Great Response GPY sell. And yeah, I'm gonna make back the loss today. 9th of August. Just watch me make it back.
This doesn't seem like it's 3 days though. This seems like it's a lot longer than 3 days so far.
15k. But I'm very confident I can make it back. Plus, put some more profit. So as I said before, the new target for this account is 50 to 100k. So I'll keep you updated with these trades. And yeah,
I think he's got so much. Look at how many. He's got like 62 lots or something open right now. He's gone to the risk management of the previous guy,
gonna bounce back
of that other 17-year-old. And I think this is the trick. Is
I done a bit too much risk.
Horrible risk management. Oh yeah, it shows a little bit.
Look at those lot sizes. And gold wasn't trying to rise. It was even crazy, as you saw in the videos before. To believe I lost 13,000. Now waking up to this.
He can't believe that he lost 13,000, but he can believe that he made 13,000 the day before. It's like, what's the logic? It's just 50-50 basically, isn't it? Price go up, price go down. It's 50-50. Only two things can happen.
dropping mad. Whew.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. That's really cool. Look at those. This one here is 50 lots alone.
Actually. Oh.
This is gonna be the one. This one's gonna make him 100k in one trade.
The entries I got on Great Span JPY.
Yeah,
got
so
multiple entries. Got in here.
the
Market D,
DCA
dropped.
as it was
Down
going
there,
up,
with the market D, it dropped.
and then every time
Here,
it dropped, he
put
kept
back
adding
up,
to it when he
and I
got
saw it
more
again,
margin.
It dropped. Here, let's put them back down. I was able to sell at the top of it. Alright, guys.
Yeah, just whenever he got more margin, he would add to the trade.
That's what I took a loss.
So as his account grows
I made a little mistake. So
in equity,
down by
he's then
11,000,
able to
but
buy
I'm
more,
gonna make it
I
back.
believe.
But I'm gonna show you these trades close in real time when it hits my profit targets. So very close to take profit right now.
Oh, I guessed 100k. I guessed 100k. What's he gonna do?
My balance is gonna go up to about 100k plus. The aim was to get the account to 100k, 50 to 100k. Smashed it again. Just wait on it.
Man, if this was a real account, I would have a hard time not closing my trade right now. 80k in one trade? How can you even sit there? Oh my god. Why was that so loud?
2.8k to 100k. Finished.
Oh my god.
Remember,
That's annoying. Really annoying.
7th August. So I'm gonna go back to the 7th August and show you the profit since then. 7th August.
So, but he said 150
So I
pounds.
made
There's
just
only
under
100 there.
in under 48 hours.
No man, 7th, 8th, 9th. So he's got his dates wrong here.
But 3k.
7th, 8th, and 9th is 72 hours. That's 3 days. So the title's actually wrong, but I guess it's like a clickbait thing. He's gonna do one more day.
So you can't do this on the demo account. Made a little mistake here, but
Is he showing swap fees?
Yeah.
No.
so yeah, 100k profit, 99k profit. I mean, real account. So yeah, guys, it is a live account. So yeah.
Yeah,
Great day.
it does look real,
Keep in
man.
mind, guys, I'm gonna
I trust
do this
it.
account twice. So the entries on the trades that I placed, they had to be perfect. If they weren't perfect, I could have easily wiped the account. Took a 13k loss on gold, but yeah, that was my mistake. I risked a bit too much, but you know, I learned my lesson. Made the money
Balance
back
110. Yeah.
by a lot. Alright, guys, so you saw the last update. I was up about 7,000.
Look at those lot sizes,
Couple
man.
minutes
Again, it's
passed,
super
and now
cool.
I'm up to 20k.
There we
plus.
go. This is
So
the last trade,
that's
isn't
good.
it?
This trade acted up. Hopefully this one can go well.
Like 50 lots on
But yeah,
gold. That's
the remaining
crazy.
gold sales are doing quite well. Oh, wrong chart. Look at that entry. So you saw those entries on gold. So this is what it's looking at for the day. This is day 3 of being on the account and 21k profit today. Alright guys, so the trades are loading. Currently down by 1.6 now. I was down by 9,000. So yeah.
Yeah, once again, check out the entries. They just averaging in. So this is a case where I understand why he's got multiple trades open, because he's entered at different times.
10k. I was on 20k.
And then he's gonna close out here.
British pound. It's quite weak right now. Just taking advantage of that weakness. Show you the entries. See the entries there, going at the top, going again, they're going again now. So, oops. But yeah, 20k profit. If I close these trades right now, that's about 42k. So that'll be some crazy stuff. So this is the end result of the 2K. Account was on 2.8K. I was just under 140K.
Yeah, so he let it run a little bit. He should have closed at 150. That would have been really cool.
So guys, this one was done in 3 days of trading. 72 on the 72 hours of trading.
Drawdown, yeah, look at the drawdown.
6,500
Like 50%.
gains.
So that's what happens when you DCA, right?
Investment.
And he only traded for 3 days long.
Look at the drawdown, 48%.
So this I actually fully believe that this is real, unless you know you guys can do some FBI analysis there and figure out that it's fake somehow.
87%.
Exactly, I said 90% chance that he gets it right.
These are the stats.
But that, you know, one trade that goes wrong is gonna margin call you, and he was just lucky enough that it margin called only on gold and not on GJ. So that's basically it. I think he's basically just gonna play some really loud music on the end there, and it hurts my ears. Hopefully it doesn't scare you guys too much. He didn't mention anything really about selling a course or anything, which is really cool. I actually really like this guy a lot more than the previous guy. So I'm glad you guys sent this my way. So I won't hate on him too much. I do know exactly what he's doing, and this is how most expert advisors or EAs or bots function. Is they find some signal like moving average crossovers or something like this, and they enter on that, and then whenever it goes against them, they just keep adding to the position until it's in profit, and then they cut the winner once it's in so much profit or whatever. And that's exactly what he did, just at extremely high leverage. And he did get it wrong, and you could see how that goes against you very, very quickly. He basically only traded for 3 days, and he got it wrong. So you can pretty much guarantee that if you do something like this, you will lose. That being said, with our Discord account flip, this is exactly how I was planning to. So a little bit of spoiler, this is how I'm going to be trading to just flip that $100, and I fully expect to lose it because I imagine this might have taken him a couple tries to do, and I'm only going to do it once. I'm going to do it real, and then we're going to get a bunch of other people to do it their way too, right? So we can see what way works, what ways don't, and it'd be really fun if you guys do want to join in on that. It starts this week, so you better hurry up and join. That being said, very interesting video. Make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification. I stream every Monday to Friday on the New York Open. I teach you exactly how I trade. Personally, I'm not asking for anything in return other than your absolute loving support for the rest of your lives, no matter what. See you guys next time.
Listen.